Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enable double tap to turn off the screen on Samsung phone. So let's get to it. First of all, open your settings application on your Samsung phone, and after that you can scroll down your screen to find the advanced feature, and this is the advanced feature. So just tap on it and you can click on motion and gestures right here, and since we want to activate the double tap to turn off the screen, we just need to click on this toggle button to activate it. Okay guys, and after you activate this feature, you don't have to press the power button to turn off your screen. You just need to double tap on in any empty area or empty space on your home screen or lock screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate double tap to turn off screen on Samsung. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.